Tesla's Megafactory Shanghai is now around 60% complete. Construction on Tesla's upcoming Megapack factory in China has been coming along quite quickly, with a new local update stating that the plant has now surpassed the halfway point. Tesla has reached 60% completion on the construction of the Shanghai Megafactory, as reported on Saturday by local media outlet IT Home. The news comes as Tesla aims to start Megapack production in the first quarter of 2025, though it will take some time for the company to ramp up to volume production. Eventually, the Shanghai Megafactory is expected to match the volume production of Tesla's Lathrop, California plant, both of which are aiming to reach an annual output of around 40 gigawatt-hours, or roughly 10,000 Megapack units per year. The Lathrop Megafactory has also been ramping up production over the past couple of years, especially as demand for Tesla's grid-scale energy products has been growing. Tesla Lathrop Megafactory helps energy business see 360% YoY growth. Although Tesla held a signing ceremony for the Shanghai Megafactory last December, building materials for the construction project only began arriving in March. Tesla officially broke ground on the project on May 23rd, and construction has been progressing at an impressive rate in the months since, not unlike how quickly the company constructed its nearby Gigafactory Shanghai. Last month, Tesla was thought to have reached about 45% completion, showing off just how quickly the company's latest factory build has been coming together since breaking ground in May. The Shanghai Megafactory site is located in the city's Lingang New Area Industrial Park, with the plant taking up around 200,000 square meters, 656,168 square feet total. In the second quarter, Tesla deployed 9.4 gigawatt-hours of battery storage, marking a record high for single-quarter energy deployments. The record followed 4.1 gigawatt-hour of battery storage deployments in Q1, which also marked a 157% increase year-over-year. The growth of Tesla Energy follows suit with predictions from Elon Musk made last year, in which he said that energy sales growth would soon begin outpacing that of the company's automotive business. Tesla China exports 1 million vehicles from Giga Shanghai source, reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.